Hey Theo, how are you today?
I am okay now, but this week was crazy.
Crazy? What happened?
You got sick. That is what happened.
Oh yeah, I got really sick.
Really sick is a nice way to say it. You were a disaster.
Thank you, Theo. You are very kind.
You are welcome. So do you remember how it started?
Yes, it started on Monday morning. I woke up and I felt strange.
Strange how?
My head was heavy, my nose was running, my throat hurt. I was hot and cold at the same time.
So you had a fever.
I think so. But I said, no, I am fine. I am strong. I can go to work.
That is when I knew it was serious.
Why?
Because when you say, I am fine, usually you are not fine.
Okay, that is true. But I really wanted to go. I had a big meeting.
You called me on the way, remember?
Yes. I was on the bus, and I called you.
You said, Theo, I think I am dying.
Maybe I was a little dramatic.
A little? You said goodbye to me 2 times.
I was sick. When I am sick, I am very emotional.
You were like, if I don't survive, take care of my plants.
My plants are important, Theo.
I know. They are the only things you water on time.
That is not true. I drink water too.
That is not the same thing.
Anyway, I arrived at work. I tried to sit at my desk. I tried to look normal.
You did not look normal.
I know. My manager looked at me and said, Maya, are you okay?
And what did you say?
I said, yes, I am great. I love work. I love life.
And then you sneezed 10 times.
Yes. It was very dramatic. I sneezed and everyone looked at me like I was a dangerous animal.
You were a dangerous animal. A sick lion.
After the big sneeze, my manager said, Maya, please go home.
That's a good idea.
Yes, I felt bad. My body was tired. My head hurt.
You called me again on your way home.
Of course. You are my emergency contact for everything. Sickness, broken heart, no Wi-Fi, everything.
You said, Theo, I am going to the pharmacy.
Yes. I went to the pharmacy and bought medicine. I bought medicine for my head, for my throat, for my nose, for my soul.
Soul medicine?
Chocolate. I bought chocolate.
That is the best medicine.
When I got home, I looked in the mirror and I was scared.
Why?
My hair was crazy. My eyes were red. My nose was red. I looked like a tired tomato.
A very cute tomato.
Thank you. But I did not feel cute. I felt horrible. I changed into my pajamas and went to bed.
And then you sent me 20 messages.
I did not send 20 messages.
Okay, maybe 15. You said, Theo, I am cold. Then, Theo, I am hot. Then, Theo, I am hungry. Then, Theo, I am not hungry now.
I was confused. My body did not know what it wanted.
I finished work and I went to your place.
When you arrived, I was under 3 blankets.
Yes, 3 blankets and a mountain of tissues.
It was not a mountain.
It was the beginning of a mountain.
Fine. It was a small mountain.
I opened the door and you said, welcome to my sick kingdom.
I was trying to be funny.
You were funny and very, very sick.
You brought a bag, remember?
Yes, I brought tea, soup, oranges, and more tissues.
You are a good friend.
I know. Please like and subscribe to Sidekick English if you also want a good friend It will not bring you soup, but it will bring you good English.
You see, even when I am sick, I am working for this channel. So back to the story. You came in, you looked at me, and you said,
I said, wow, you look terrible.
"Thank you again."
I am honest. That is my gift.
You put your hand on my forehead to check my temperature.
You were so hot, I almost burned my hand.
You did not burn your hand.
It felt like it. I said, okay, you are not going out this week.
And I said, "But I have plans."
And I said, no, you have tissues and tea. Those are your plans now.
I hate being sick. I feel weak. I cannot do anything.
That is not true. You did many things.
Like what?
You coughed, you sneezed, you slept, you complained.
Complaining is my special talent. But I also watched a lot of English videos.
That is true. Even sick, you used the time to learn.
I watched a video about food, and I became so hungry.
But you did not want to eat soup at first.
I do not like soup when I feel healthy. When I am sick, I like soup a little more, but not much.
You wanted pizza.
Yes, my stomach wanted pizza. My brain said no. My throat said no. My nose said no.
And I said no.
Everyone said no, so I had soup.
And then you fell asleep while eating.
I did not.
You almost did. Your eyes were closing slowly. You looked like a sleepy cat with a spoon.
Maybe a little.
I put the bowl on the table and said, okay, sleep now.
I hate sleeping in the daytime.
You say that, but you slept for 3 hours.
I was not sleeping. I was resting my eyes.
With your mouth open and snoring?
No, I do not snore.
You do.
I do not.
You do.
Fine. Maybe a little. I was sick. It was not normal me.
After you woke up, you looked at me and said, am I still alive?
I really did not know. Time was strange. Day, night. I did not understand anything.
Then you asked me, do I smell bad?
I was worried. I did not have energy to shower.
I say you smell like lemon tea and sadness.
That sounds romantic and tragic at the same time.
It was the truth. You were sad because you missed everything that week.
Yes, I missed work. I missed a movie with friends. I missed going to the gym.
You say that like you go to the gym every day.
I was planning to go. Planning counts.
Anyway, you stayed at home from Monday to Friday.
Yes, 5 days in my little apartment.
Day 1, you were dramatic. I am dying. Day 2, you were angry. Why me? Day 3, you were bored. I finished Netflix. Day 4, you were philosophical. What is life? Day 5, you were better.
On day 3, I really was bored. I had no energy, but my brain was awake.
That is when we started talking about funny words for sickness.
Yes, I said, I am not just sick. I am super sick.
Then I said, you are not super sick. You are super dramatic.
You taught me some English expressions.
I said, you can say, I have a cold. Not I am cold, because that means you need a sweater.
Yes. I always say it wrong. I say, I am cold, when I mean, I have a cold.
And I said, you can say, I feel terrible, or I feel awful.
I liked, I feel awful. It sounds very serious.
You used it 20 times.
But I really did feel awful.
You also learn to say, my head hurts, my throat hurts, my stomach hurts.
Yes, that was useful. I used those sentences many times.
Your favorite sentence was, Theo, can you bring me water?
You have two hands. I had zero energy.
I did it. I brought you water many times. I made tea. I made toast.
You are a great nurse.
Please, no, I am not a nurse. I am just a guy with a kettle.
On day 4, I was finally a little better.
You did not look like a tomato anymore.
That was progress. I still had a red nose, but my eyes were clearer.
We did something fun that day.
Yes, we made a sick day plan.
We made 3 rules for a sick day.
Rule number 1, drink a lot of water.
Rule number 2, sleep and rest. No guilt.
Rule number 3, no big decisions.
That one is important.
Yes. When I am sick, everything feels dramatic. If I make a decision, it is always extreme. I will change my job. I will move to another country. I will become a monk.
So no big decisions when you are sick. Only small decisions like tea or soup.
Or 1 blanket or 3 blankets.
You always choose 3.
I like feeling like a burrito.
We also talked about how to say it when someone else is sick.
Yes, you told me some nice phrases.
You can say, get well soon. Or, I hope you feel better soon. Or, take care of yourself.
I like get well soon. It is short and sweet.
You said it to yourself in the mirror.
I needed motivation.
On day 5, you were almost okay.
Yes. I could walk around without feeling like a 90-year-old woman.
We went for a short walk outside.
That felt amazing. The air was fresh. The sky was blue. The birds were singing. I was alive.
You were also very dramatic about the sun.
It was so bright. After 5 days inside, the sun felt like a spotlight.
You put on sunglasses like a celebrity.
In that moment, I was a celebrity in my own movie.
The return of the tomato.
I was not a tomato anymore.
Fine. The return of the burrito.
After the walk, we went back and made a list.
The how to survive being sick list.
Yes, it had simple steps, and it helped me feel in control.
Step 1. Accept it. Do not fight it. You are sick. It is okay.
Step 2, tell a friend. Being sick and alone is really sad.
Step 3. Prepare. Get medicine, tissues, water, tea, and something easy to eat.
Step 4, enter cozy mode. Put on soft clothes, use blankets, watch something nice.
Step 5. Be kind to yourself. No stress, no pressure, no big plans.
That list made me feel calm.
And now you do something new when you feel sick.
Yes, I say, okay, this is my rest day. My body needs time. It is not my fault. It is not a failure. It is normal.
Before this, you felt guilty when you were sick.
Yes, I always thought, I must work, I must do things. But now I understand that rest is important.
And now you are healthy again.
Almost always. And now, when someone else is sick, I understand them better.
You brought me soup last month when I was sick.
Yes, and I did not say, you look terrible.
That is why you are a better person than me.
I am going to record that and listen to it every day.
No, please do not.
So what did we learn from all this?
We learned some useful English words and phrases about being sick, like sick, cold, fever, sore throat, headache, stomachache, tissues, medicine, soup, rest.
And sentences like, I feel terrible, my head hurts, I have a cold, I am staying home today, I hope you feel better soon.
We also learned that having a good friend makes a big difference.
Yes, having someone to bring you tea and make you laugh is the best medicine.
After actual medicine.
Yes, of course, please take real medicine too.
Also, if you are sick right now and you are watching this, you are amazing.
Yes, you are learning English while you are sick. That is very cool.
But after this video, please rest, drink water, be nice to yourself.
And if you are not sick, be happy and take care of your body. Eat well, sleep enough, wash your hands.
And if your friend gets sick, you know what to say now.
You can say, get well soon. Or, I hope you feel better. Maybe bring them some soup.
Or chocolate. Do not forget the soul medicine.
Before we finish, let's do a quick review of the story.
On Monday, Maya felt terrible but tried to go to work. Her manager sent her home. She went to the pharmacy, bought medicine and chocolate, and went to bed.
Then Theo came to my place with tea, soup, oranges, and tissues. I was very dramatic and very sick.
For 5 days, Maya stayed home. She rested, drank tea, watched videos, and complained a little.
A little?
Okay, a lot.
We talked about English phrases for being sick, and we made a sick day plan and a how to survive being sick list.
Then Maya started to feel better. We went for a walk. She became human again, not a tomato or a burrito.
And now we are here, telling you this story.
So, if you enjoyed this podcast and you want more simple English with real stories,
Please subscribe to Sidekick English, like this video, and share it with a friend who is learning English.
your support really helps us continue making fun and easy English content for you.
Tell us in the comments, when was the last time you were sick and what did you do to feel better? Use some of the phrases from this episode.
Thank you for spending this time with us.
Take care of yourself.
And if you are sick,
Get well soon.
see you in the next episode of Sidekick English.
Bye!
Bye.